Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Solar Chicken Heater is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of chicken care, especially during colder months. Providing your feathered friends with a consistent supply of warm water can significantly impact their health, egg production, and overall happiness. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of solar water heaters designed specifically for chickens, exploring their benefits, and helping you choose the perfect one for your flock. Number 5. Farm Innovators 2-gallon Heated Chicken Waterer. Keep your chickens hydrated all year long with this waterer. It prevents water from freezing, even in the coldest temperatures, ensuring they always have access to fresh, clean water. This waterer holds up to 2 gallons of water, providing enough for your flock to drink throughout the day. The removable top makes refilling easy and convenient. The built-in heater is thermostatically controlled, meaning it only uses power when needed. This design maximizes efficiency, saving you energy and money. Designed with side-mounted, drip-free nipples, this waterer can serve up to 15 chickens. It ensures that each chicken can easily access water without any mess. Built to last, this waterer is made from durable plastic that can withstand harsh weather conditions. It's designed to provide reliable service season after season. What we like? This waterer ensures your chickens have access to fresh water all year, even in freezing temperatures. Its 2-gallon capacity is perfect for keeping your flock hydrated. If you are looking for a reliable, efficient solution to keep your chickens watered throughout the year, this is a great choice. What people say? Used this waterer for an entire winter and it held up well. It's well put together with no issues after 6 months of use. The rubber fill plug is very firm and seals perfectly. Had a week of sub-zero temperatures this past winter, including overnight lows that averaged -7 degrees, and the water never froze. It kept the water ice-free even during the worst of the freeze. It's well made and seems durable enough to withstand the elements. The size is perfect for my flock of 5, and it's easy to clean and refill. This week the low was -14 F with a wind chill of -35 F and the nipples did not freeze up. The heated water is inside an unheated uninsulated coop. The water stays clean and the chickens don't roost on the lid. The lid has never come off. Number 4. Farm Innovators 125W Heated Base for Poultry Founts. Introducing the Farm Innovators Heated Base. It's designed to keep your poultry's water from freezing, even in the coldest temperatures. This ensures your birds always have access to fresh water. This base features thermostatically controlled operation. It only activates when temperatures drop below 35 degrees Fahrenheit, saving energy. This feature makes it efficient and cost-effective. This heated base is specifically designed for double-wall metal poultry founts. It ensures a perfect fit and seamless integration. It's a reliable solution for frost prevention. The powerful 125-watt heater prevents water from freezing down to 10 degrees Fahrenheit. It provides reliable hydration for your birds, no matter how cold it gets. This is a must-have for winter. The bottom cover protects the heating element from debris, extending its lifespan. You can use it in chicken coops, pens, and runs. It's an essential accessory for your flock. What we like? This heated base is designed to work with your existing metal poultry founts, preventing freezing down to 10 degrees Fahrenheit. It activates only when needed, maximizing energy efficiency. If you want a simple, effective way to keep your chickens' water from freezing, this is the one for you. What people say? It kept the water from freezing as described. Worked well this last winter. I appreciated the fact that it only kicks on when the temperature dips below freezing, especially when the weather can be unpredictable. You can use just about any type of watering unit on it. The temperature reached -35 without the wind chill for a couple nights in a row and this fount never froze up at all. Perfectly liquid the entire time. Number 3. Farm Innovators 1500W Submergible Water Tank Heater. This submersible water heater De-Icer is designed to keep your livestock's water source from freezing. It ensures your animals have access to water even in the coldest weather. The built-in thermostat activates only when needed, near freezing. This feature helps to reduce operational costs, making it efficient. Made with cast aluminum, it resists rust and ensures long-lasting performance. This allows it to effectively conduct heat for your animals. It features a heavy-duty cord protector to prevent damage. This ensures the product continues functioning without interruption. With dimensions of 14 inches long, 14 inches wide, and 6 inches tall, it fits perfectly. It's designed to sit at the bottom of your watering tanks. What we like. This submersible heater is built to last, with a cast aluminum construction that resists rust. The self-regulating thermostat helps save on energy costs. If you have a larger water tank and need a reliable, long-lasting solution, consider this. What people say. The solar water heater is a great product for chickens. It keeps the water from freezing in the winter. The chickens love it. Number 2. Farm Innovators C250 De-Icer for 25-gallon tanks. This submersible De-Icer is a must-have for livestock owners. It ensures animals have access to water, even in freezing temperatures. It's a reliable solution for harsh winters. Made from cast aluminum, this De-Icer is built to last. The material is known for its excellent heat conductivity and durability. It's designed to withstand the elements. With a 250 watt capacity, this De-Icer provides ample heat. It keeps the water at a suitable temperature to prevent freezing. This ensures your livestock's health and well-being. This De-Icer is designed to work with metal, rubber, or plastic containers. It's safe for containers up to 25 gallons. You can use it with confidence. The built-in thermostat automatically turns the De-Icer on and off. It activates when needed and shuts off when temperatures rise. This saves on electricity costs. The De-Icer's compact size makes it easy to use. It measures 8 inches long, 7.5 inches wide, and 2 inches tall. It weighs only 1.88 pounds. What we like. This De-Icer is designed for containers up to 25 gallons, ensuring your livestock have access to unfrozen water. The built-in thermostat provides efficient operation. If you are looking for a compact and efficient solution for your livestock, this is a great choice. What people say. The water stays warm all day. It works great and keeps the water from freezing. The chickens love it. Number 1. Solar-powered dual fan kit for Coop greenhouse. Tired of the heat in your chicken coop or greenhouse? This solar-powered dual fan kit is the perfect solution. It pushes hot air out and brings in the cool, keeping the space fresh. Designed with a high-quality weatherproof motor, this fan provides a large airflow. It can effectively cool spaces up to 200 cubic feet, ensuring optimal ventilation. Built to withstand the elements, the motor is coated to prevent rain damage. With an IPX7 waterproof rating, it's ideal for outdoor use, providing reliable performance. Safety is a priority, and this fan includes a double metal protection net. This prevents injury to small animals and ensures the fan blades operate smoothly. The fan's speed depends on sunlight, reaching maximum speed in direct sun. Remember, it operates during the day as there is no built-in battery. What we like. This solar-powered fan kit keeps your coop cool and fresh, pushing out hot air and bringing in cooler air. The weatherproof design ensures durability. If you like the idea of a green, energy-efficient way to ventilate your coop, this is perfect for you. What people say. Update after a full year still works great after being left outside in the elements for a year. Very easy to install, just use the zip ties it comes with. When running full speed it blows feathers, it does a great job cycling air. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.